Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with YGwigs once more. Super happy. So today for YGwigs, I didn't just get a wig, I got a tool as well, like a styling tool. This is their unique twisted plaits, okay, and it's for easy curling and straightening, so you can do both. I don't know, you can see in the diagram there, it's a twist, it has a twist. So I'm gonna get into that a few, but before I get into that, I want to show you the wig packaging and what I got inside of that, and then I'll show you that. All right, so I opened the box. I'm seeing the wig, obviously, and then for the rest of the stuff that I got in there, I got a rat tail comb. All right, then I got this elastic band. It's patterned. It's good to, you know, melt your lace down. I also got an edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, and lastly for that packaging, I got these two clips. So this is the wig that we're working with today. Came in this drawstring bag, which is good to, you know, use for storage when you know, cleanse your wig and want to store it. So that's always convenient. For today's wig, I got a 13x6 HD Swiss lace wig. All right, this is a 20-inch body wave ombre brown wig. It is also 180% in density. So it's been a while since I've done an ombre like style or color. Now firstly, you know, the lace is gonna look bomb, right? It's a HD Swiss, so it's gonna give what it's supposed to give. So this is pre-plucked, looks good, looks very realistic and natural. The hair feels very silky and soft as well. So as I said, this is a 13x6 for the most part. In the mid portion is 13x6, and on the sides it's not as deep. All right, and that's how most of the wigs have been coming. The lace front wigs have been coming since lately. So there's an extra elastic band inside, and it says YG, which is their logo, and this will just ensure more security. Also, you have 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back, and there is a tag on here that says it just explains their return and exchange policy, and also their social media is listed. So yeah, that's how that looks. It came with a center part, but you can change it up. You can do a nice deep side part, and these are the curls. They're looking really good. I love that, and it's very nice and full and feels very manageable. So now that I show you guys the wig, let me show you today's tool that we're gonna be styling our wig with. You know, I'm gonna, you know, refresh the curls, get it nice and laid and all of that. The size is a 2-inch. You know, all the information is listed on the box for, like, you know, the details of what you're getting. So it's in here. Inside I got gloves. They were sure to send gloves. I got one glove to be specific. I got this little bag here. I guess I could store the tool in there after I'm finished with using it. And I guess this is just a little booklet to explain how to use the curl and straightening iron. So yeah, basically like a manual. And then this came on it, you know, to keep it together. And you see that this is the first time I'm getting a tool like this, guys, and I'm super excited. Can't wait to install, and then we can get into how to use this iron. Super excited for this. Very different. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with installation. So sometimes I won't use this extra elastic band, but today I will use it, you know, just for the extra security. I love when my wig is snug, not tight, not too tight, but nicely snug. So I will go ahead and slip it on with this. All right, so You can see how snug it looks already, and I am loving that. For today's install, I'm going to do a glueless install. I'm just going to use my Got2b. You guys know that I do this a lot.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Alright, so as you guys can see, I was just removing the excess lace. So now I'm just gonna get started on, I'm just gonna get started on the usual, which is applying my Got2b, which I'll fast forward through because I just can't wait to start using this iron. I am so excited to see how well this works.
Can't be replaced. There's no one else to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's looking good. I don't even think I want to do any soups, any baby hairs, nothing today. I'm just gonna go ahead, remove the excess lace. And yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat.
Alright, so for this, I'm not doing any sideburns. As I said, no soups, nothing. All I'm gonna go ahead and do right now is get my elastic band, and I'm gonna get my hot comb to just kind of lay everything even flatter, and use it in combination with some of my wax stick. Get it nice and laid. And the hair feels really silky, very soft, so I love that. So on the sides, I'm getting more shedding than usual because remember, I did cut away from the ear portion, and usually that happens. Okay, so I'm just removing those hairs, and yeah, everything feels good, looks good. All right, so I'm gonna get my wax stick, and I'm gonna keep the center part. I'm gonna keep it.
No one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million.
So that's how it's looking. It still has the curls that it came with, and like the waves, but you know, I'm gonna get it more defined so I can also just demonstrate to you guys how their curl and straightening iron works. It says off, and then I basically flip this switch up and I press the on button in here, and then you see the temperature here. So in order to change the temperature, it shows you here you can go either left or right. So to increase it, I basically twist it. You twist it. So I will twist it to the right. So let me show you. As I twist it, the temperature goes higher. You see that? And that's the highest it can go. It's stuck. So it's 230. It goes up to 230, and if you want to lower it, you twist it in the opposite direction, and it's getting heated really fast. So the plates that are inside, I forgot to tell you guys, these are ultra smooth advanced ceramic plates for effortless glide and frizz free shine. And then you notice they're like combs on the very edges here. It's longer plates with micro guide combs, so this helps to secure hair onto plates for fast and like one pass styling. So, and at the very edge here is like an easy grip tool for ultimate styling control. I'm just gonna go through the wig with this and see how it works. So the twist really helps with a nice grip. So I'm just kind of like, and it gets heated so fast. A slight twisty motion, and the combs just like help to detangle it as you glide along the hair. That looks good. It looks pretty decent. The only thing is, I wish it went higher, like 4 or something, but the heat on it feels good. It feels good. So I'm gonna continue through the rest of the hair with this.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you.
So this is the side that it curled versus how it came in the box. So not bad. It looks really, you know, nice and effortless. Really nice soft curls. You know, it was very easy to work with, by the way. Very easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then I'll come back. That's how everything looks once I curl it. You see, that looks really nice and bouncy, really nice. But I also realized that I didn't show you guys like how to use it to straighten. So I'm gonna use like, I'm gonna just a section of the hair because we're doing a body wave look today. But I want to show you guys how this works when using it to straighten the hair as well. Maybe I should use a piece in the front here and then go back over it when I'm finished. Alright, so I'm gonna use this piece in the front. It's on the same 230 temperature, and I'm just gonna hold it. I'm not gonna twirl it or anything. I'm just holding it and bringing it down on the hair. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It's frizz free. It's nice and flowy. So yeah, that's what we're working with That's how I was looking. YGwigs did a good job with this. I like that. So I'm just gonna go back over this section and wave it and then come back now that I show you guys how to use this to curl and straighten. So I'm gonna remove the elastic band that's been melting the edges, and guys, look at this. That is super melted. If your HD Swiss lace doesn't react like this, then you probably need to return it, because this is how it should look. A 5, okay? All right, let me go ahead and just make the parting here a little bit more precise. Let me know what you guys think about this down below in the comments. YGwigs, I think they did a good job. They're very yeah, they did a good job. With the wig quality to the tool, everything was very easy to work with, so I love that. The lace on this is amazing. You know, the hair feels good, it's minimal shedding. The curl and straightening iron, it was pretty straightforward to use, so I'm happy I got through that just fine. And you know, it adds a nice variety to my collection. These are some nice soft waves and they look good. So let me know what you guys think. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe, you know, drop your thoughts down below. I'm going to be sure to put the link to this wig in my description box, as well, you know, if I have any discount codes that will be listed. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.